Well, hello there, and good evening, everyone. I'm William Brantley, reporting from Bemis, Tennessee, South Jackson, Tennessee. Yes, ma'am, and yes, sir. Ready to report to you today's climate summary, yesterday's climate summary, and give you a forecast for the next few days momentarily. Turned out to be a beautiful day today. It's still a little on the cool side, especially this morning. It did warm up a little bit, and it's still nice and clear out there. We got the first quarter moon complete tonight, and it'll set later on in the evening. I'll give you that information when I get to the main forecast blog. Well, alrighty, let me go ahead and look at yesterday's climate data first. Looks like yesterday's low temperature here in Bemis on 3rd Street was 26 degrees. And I think that occurred at midnight last night. Occurred at midnight last night. Yesterday's high was 46 degrees. Had no rainfall, of course, yesterday. And here in Bemis, I've had 4.10 inches for the month of January and for the year so far. The coldest wind chill yesterday was 28 degrees at 9 p.m. last night. The highest wind gust yesterday was 26 miles per hour out of the west at 3:35 a.m. Coldest low yesterday in West Tennessee was 26 degrees right here in Bemis. Yesterday's highest temperature was 48 degrees in West Tennessee, and that occurred in Lexington at the National Weather Service forecast office in Memphis, at Summerville, Tennessee, and at Savannah, Tennessee. Now today's climate summary. As of 5 p.m., the skies were clear here in Bemis. The temperature at that time was 44 degrees. The dew point was 33 degrees. The humidity was 56%. The wind was out of the northwest at 5 miles per hour, and the barometric pressure was 30.39 inches of mercury. Today's low temperature was a chilly 21 degrees, not a record. Wait till you hear what that is. 21 degrees in 2018. The high temperature today hit 49 degrees. No rainfall or precipitation today, of course. Lowest humidity would be 48% at 3 and 4 p.m. The highest would be 96%, and that occurred at 12, 1, 3, and 4 a.m. The lowest barometric pressure would be 30.28 inches of mercury, and that occurred at 12 and 1 a.m., while the highest would be 30.41 inches of mercury, and that occurred at 11 a.m. Today's highest wind gust, by the way, was 19. No, that's the wind chill. I'm sorry. The wind chill, coldest wind chill was 19 degrees earlier this morning when we had that low of 21 degrees. That 19-degree wind chill occurred at 5 and 6 a.m. this morning. Now the highest wind gust was 20 miles per hour today out of the west at 12:42 p.m. Now today's records for January the 24th, hottest high would be 78 degrees and 1972. Almost 80 degrees today. Good gracious. And 1972. 78 was the highest. Coldest high would be 17 degrees. That occurred in 1963. The warmest low would be 64 in 1950. And the coldest low, catch this, minus 13 degrees. Woo! 13 degrees below zero today in 1963. Incidentally, that is the coldest low on record for Jackson at the Jackson, Tennessee airport for recorded history, which for the airport dates back to 1948, August of 1948. The coldest low, 13 below zero, in 1963 on January 24th. Now February has a 12 below zero, and I'll share that one when we get to February. There was a 12 below zero, and I forget the year. I think that one was I think that was in the 60s too. I don't remember the exact year off the top of my head. Alright, the rainfall record for today, 1.94 inches, and that occurred in 2002. While the snowfall record, we had 2 inches of snow, technically 2.4, almost 3 inches, but 2.4 or 2 inches of snow in 1958 on January 24th. Alrighty, that pretty much covers the basic stats that I like sharing with you, or climate summary. I guess I'll go ahead and show you the AccuWeather's national view of the satellite and radar combo. I really don't like the way it shows up at night, but I really don't have much choice. At least not yet. I'll put it that way. Maybe someday I'll get a better view and learn how to share it with you. Alright, let me turn the camera around so you can see it too. You'll see what I mean by out west where it's warmer, it shows up much better. How nice, how brown out there it gets out there in California and Arizona. That's because the air is warm enough to allow the enhanced view show up better. It looks cloudy over that area, don't it? There where you see that pin in West Tennessee, that's Jackson. It's actually clear here, but it looks cloudy though. But at least you can kind of get down there where the precipitation is. It's not a whole lot going on there either. Most of it's up in Ohio, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, and out in the west. California, Oregon, and Washington, a little bit of Idaho. And down near Brownsville, Texas. And most of the rest of the country is either clear or cloudy. One or the other. Alright, they kind of give you a view of the U.S. there. Let me lay this camera down and get a steadier view. Okay, let me go to the AWC satellite. I like it a little bit better. It shows a closer up view of Tennessee. There you can see why I said it's clear out there. If you can see the small little images of landscape and rivers and all that, you know it's clear. And there's some clouds way over in East Tennessee, right along was along the North Carolina border. It looks like they've dissipated now. So pretty much clear statewide across the state of Tennessee. Looks like those clouds up in West Virginia are the leftovers of that low that moved through or by a few days ago. A few little high clouds going by up in Illinois and Missouri, and some thick ones down there in Alabama and Georgia, but they're moving northeast away from us, leaving us good and clear, my friends. Cool. The whole state, I guess. Way to go, Tennessee. I like saying that just for fun. What's next? Oh, Weather Underground's surface map. There you see it at a glance. Let me move it around just a little. You see their satellite where it's raining up in West Virginia. It's a cold front up there. That's part of the reason. Now you see where the other fronts are. Raining out west, of course. And nothing nearby us. Looks like it's rained out in the Gulf of Mexico in spots. Down there near Brownsville, Texas as well. There's a timing right there, you see. That's 8:16. That's probably 7:16. I'm probably not reading it right. 19. That would be 7:16. Yeah. All right. Let me take a quick close-up view of Tennessee, just for the fun of it. Let me get one more. All right. Let me get Tennessee kind of in a center there. And I can get another shot at it. Closest rain is up there in West Virginia. Nothing around here though. And that's it. Clear skies and clear radar too. Cool. Alright. What's next? Forecast. Boy, I'm getting it pretty quick tonight. There's nothing to show you, really. That's all out of the ordinary. I put that away. Let me see if I can get that arranged where I can turn that around. Coming on too late to give you a local on the 8s. I forgot about that from the Weather Channel. Maybe I can get back to that before too long also. But for now, mostly clear skies tonight. Another chilly night. Remember we had 21 degrees this morning. It should drop down to 30 tomorrow morning. That's a little bit warmer, but it is just barely below freezing. So it won't be quite as cold as it was this morning, heading down to 21. The moon, by the way, sets tonight at 11:57 p.m., just prior to midnight. And like I said, it is complete, and it became complete first quarter at 4:20 p.m. Earlier today. It's going to be mostly clear tomorrow, of course, and Friday, and then back to cloudy by Saturday with a good chance for rain, it looks like. Tomorrow morning's low, like I mentioned, under mostly clear skies, about 30 degrees. Hey, it's going to get nice and warm tomorrow, sort of. 59 degrees to high tomorrow. That's going to be better than today's 49 degrees. Going to get 10 degrees warmer, roughly. About 60 degrees, it wouldn't surprise me. With south winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour tomorrow. The sun rises tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., sets tomorrow evening at 5:16 p.m. We've got about a month and a half, and we'll finally get daylight savings time back. I can't wait. The moon rises tomorrow afternoon at 12:03 p.m. and sets at 12:40 a.m. Friday morning. Speaking of Friday, mostly clear skies, low near 34, high of 61, with south winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And Saturday, returning to mostly cloudy skies. We do have an 80% chance of occasional rain showers that day, with a low near 46 and a high of 54, with south winds at 10 to 20. And on Sunday, we're back to mostly clear skies, and really not too bad, not for Sunday. Mostly clear, low near 40, high near 55, with north winds at 10 to 20. Next Monday, the 29th, mostly clear, low near 30, high of 48, with north winds at 10 to 20. And I'll go ahead and give you next Tuesday, the 30th, January 30th. Mostly clear, low near 24, high of 46, with south winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And we're next Wednesday, January 31st, next Wednesday week, of next Wednesday, of next week, I meant. Fair skies, low near 34, high of 55, with south winds at 15 to 30 miles per hour. And next chance for rain after Saturday, I believe, is Thursday of next week, February 1st. A 60% chance of rain by the afternoon and evening, with low near 47 and a high of 58, with west winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. All right, I'll leave it at that for tonight. Once again, mostly clear skies tonight and tomorrow. Low near 30, high of 59, with south winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Sun rises at 7 a.m., sets at 5:16 p.m., and again the moon rises at 12:03 p.m. and be setting at 12:40 a.m. Friday morning. Well, all right. I think that's it for tonight, everybody. God bless you. Sweet dreams, and hope you have a pleasant day tomorrow. And, of course, I hope I get a chance once again to talk to you again tomorrow night. And until then, good night, my friends, and God bless you. And thank you for watching.